Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your continuous support. As always, it is highly appreciated. And if you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my journey. I hope you stay and enjoy more of my content. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button to become a part of this family. So today I am not feeling well. Actually, I recorded this video today and yeah, I was just forcing things. But anyway, I wasn't feeling well and the house is in a bit of a mess, but I told myself, you know what, I'll just break it up into the next couple of days. So today I'm just gonna take care of the laundry. Lots of laundry to fold on this bed that I just threw on top of this bed, and told myself I will fold when I'm feeling better. But seeing that it's taking a bit of a while, I thought, let me just start bit by bit until I am done. So I'm gonna be folding this laundry, and then I also had a load that I washed last night with the aim that I am going to hang it this morning, but I just woke up not up to it, so I'm only gonna hang it now. This was later on in the day, by the way. It was late in the afternoon, around 1 o'clock, but I'm pretty sure the laundry will be dry by tomorrow. I don't know what it is, but there's an item that I washed with this load, and most of the clothes ended up having lots of fluff and lint. Guys, I just didn't have the energy to put this laundry back into the washing machine and actually maybe rinse it to get rid of it. So I'm just going to use a lint roller or a soft brush just to get rid of it because there was no way I was going to put it back into like yo I just didn't have the energy to do that. So I'm just gonna hang it as it is, and then I'll just use a soft brush or a lint roller to get all of that fluff off. By the way, so I'm not feeling well because last night I ate something that did not sit well with my stomach, and I do not have the words to explain the excruciating pain I was feeling in my stomach last night. I couldn't even sleep. After I added the load of laundry into the machine, all hell broke loose. And it was a long night. So yeah, I'm just not feeling well. So today I'm just going to be doing the laundry and then cooking tonight's dinner, and then we'll call it a day. For dinner, I made porridge, green beans with potatoes, chicken with tomato soup, and actually tomato gravy, and then some carrots. Sadly, the carrots got burnt. I don't know what I was busy with, but when I came to the kitchen, they were just burned. So, yeah, that's what I made for dinner. Nice, quick, and easy meal. If you are still watching, thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.